me tell you. So one of the things that I've come across is when you buy a big expensive piece of equipment, and our clients did, they should buy a huge expensive haul truck from CAT, and they say, this is your maintenance regime.
Yeah.
Now, if I were cynical, I would say, yeah, of course the maintenance regime. You want me to buy more of your parts all the time. Maintenance guys I deal with say, look, we can't afford to spend all the money that they say we should on this piece of equipment. And by the way, they're trying to juice their profit by telling us to replace things that don't necessarily need replacing. Am I being cynical? So when a manufacturer puts out a maintenance schedule, do we take that as fact, or do we figure that they're trying to make some money out of it?
I think it's good to have a fair amount of cynicism when you're looking at those things. Yep. I myself have done maintenance plans for big pieces of rolling stock, small pieces of rolling stock, all sorts of different pieces of mechanical equipment.
When you say rolling stock, I kind of think like cows on wheels. Go ahead. I know what you mean.
And sometimes they moo. It just depends on who's driving the rolling stock.
What would be rolling stock? Give me an example.
So it could be a light duty vehicle, like a pickup F-150. It could be a mule, like a little runabout. It could be a scoop tram. It could be a haul truck. All of that. A forklift. It could all be rolling stock, right?
Okay, so you're doing a maintenance plan.
You're doing a maintenance plan on it. And I've found, like, when you open up the OEM manufacturing recommendations, it's going every 250 hours, you need to do these things. Every 500 hours, you need to do these things.
Who can afford that?
Well, I mean, you asked about, like, I'll call it wanton waste that ends up happening with, the manufacturer recommends that I replace the seat belt.
I want to hear you say that again. Wanton waste.
Wanton waste.
Yes, okay.
Which is what they call it hunting, when you shoot something and leave it to spoil. These are really complex subjects. You can see there's enough complexity to worry about in maintenance. With the CoGo sensors and software, we can take the complexity out of asset risk so you can focus on what's important. Whether that's working on preventative or corrective maintenance as part of your day-to-day, whether that's planning, scheduling, or measuring other things you're doing, the CoGo sensors help you to understand asset risk cleanly and simply. So this is, you've consumed something that you don't need to consume. It's wanton waste. So why do I need to replace the seatbelt every 100 and 750 hours?
Yeah.
Right? So
because they want to sell you another seatbelt. That's why.
And they bundle it now too, right? Like they bundle a service package that goes into this, where they're going to send you that seatbelt approximately every time they think that you're ready for it, right? Because they bundle the supply along with the lease. So a lot of people do what's called right of use equipment now. So they don't buy it outright, because the equipment is just, think about how expensive cars are now. Like, industrial equipment is massively expensive. So most people just lease that equipment now, so they get the right of use of that equipment.
Okay.
And so they usually bundle the service components in with it, or the supply components in with it. So they're going to get the pump, the motor, the drive, the belt, the shock, the seat belt, as it were, and be asked to replace it every 750,000.
And if you don't, are you in violation? This is one of the questions I wonder about.